Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing essentials. Verify your Mobile Legends account and backup settings, then pick a fast VPN with WireGuard and nearby servers. Install the app, sign in, and allow network permissions so the system routes traffic. Once done, select a server geographically close to the game's region. This cuts transit time. Make sure the VPN app is updated and run an initial ping test to confirm baseline latency. These first steps put you in position to optimize for gameplay. You now configure the VPN for peak performance. Set the protocol to WireGuard or an optimized UDP option because they reduce handshake and round-trip time. Next, enable split tunneling so only Mobile Legends traffic goes through the VPN. This minimizes unnecessary routing. Turn on the kill switch to avoid leaks and set the VPN's fast DNS to avoid slow name lookups. Also close background apps that use bandwidth. Once configured, run another ping and a short practice match to evaluate improvement. Finish by matching your in-game server to the VPN exit location so packets take the most direct route. This reduces hops and jitter. Make final tweaks. Lower non-essential graphics and confirm the VPN's kill switch stays active. If you see high ping or unstable packets, switch to a different nearby VPN server, try the alternate protocol, or restart your router and mobile device. If problems continue, reauthorize the app or contact the VPN provider. Support can check routing or offer a fast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.